First, we'll count the valence electrons. So we have 4 electron pairs. We're going to connect the outside atoms to the inside atoms, and we see that this completes the octet of the hydrogen atom because hydrogen only needs 2 E's for octet. Now we look to oxygen, and we see oxygen currently only has 4 valence electrons. These bonding E's count towards both hydrogen and oxygen. So oxygen currently has 4 electrons towards its octet. But we have 2 electron pairs left, so we can add these 2 electron pairs to oxygen, and now all atoms have a complete octet. Now these non-bonding E's are called a lone pair. Very frequently designated as LP.